section na si John Anthony Cortez lang tumira, pero tinira po na Villacorta at ni Mercado. You see how they're casing their bike. They're maximizing the power, pero hindi pa rin po umabot. Only John Anthony Cortez was able to somehow clear it. Pero look at this, Mang Osong is the only one who didn't clear it, pero nasa second pa rin siya. So, Mang Osong, with the experience that he has, is not panicking for sure. Because 20 minutes mo to eh. So, Cortez, Mang Osong, Villacorta, Mercado, Viterbo, and Ipanag. Oh no, Rayo Ipanag is hurt. Number 8, Team Good Boy, Rayo Ipanag is hurt. And he cannot hold on to the handlebar. So, oh my goodness, David, grabe. Look at this, Mang Osong applying the pressure on Anthony Cortez. So Cortez, battle for the lead, Honda versus the Panic. And Mercado in fourth, Villacorta in second, Viterbo in fifth. So the bullet of Tinplawan in the lead, parehong taga Mindanao. Mang Osong paved the way for these Mindanaoans. He was the first Premier Class champion from Mindanao. Luzon. Pero Mang Osong paved the way for Mindanao, and look, the kids are following his footsteps. Oh no, Mercado crashed. Big Devil is now in fourth. So, bike problem for Ikirat. And pointing to the bike. So, ayan ang nangyari. Look at this, Mang Osong strategizing, tinitingnan niya kung saan siya overtake or he's gonna make the pass. Kung ikaw lang with his caliber, tinitingnan mo yung linya na mabilis ng kalaban mo. At tinitingnan mo kung saan siya mapagal. Mang Osong on the inside. He's showing Cortez the wheel. Pero still, the battle for third is brewing. Dahil ito na po si David Viterbo. Dahil tinitira po ni Esteban. Kung nakikita nyo, may tinatanggal po si Mang Osong sa kanyang hair. He's gonna make a move, a block pass! Mang Osong now in the lead! Mang Osong carefully, masterfully, is both representing the highlands of Mindanao. Third is Villacorta. Halfway, we heard the siren. So just another day in practice, Mang Osong really hitting his marks into the racetrack. At this point, nagkakaroon kaya ng medyo makikita sa part ng track. Kasi it's so bumpy, braking bumps, acceleration bumps.